Good morning and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to continue from where we stopped in our previous video. In our previous video, we gave an introduction to cryptocurrency for total beginners. We said crypto is utility around a particular problem economy. We said also that crypto is programming, crypto is software. And then we also said that crypto is money over the internet. These are some of the definitions that we gave of crypto, right? Now, another definition you need to know is that crypto is digital asset. Digital asset. For instance, this is my wallet inside of OKX Web3 browser. The wallet inside of OKX Web3 wallet, and under crypto tab you can see all of these cryptos. If you move over here, you see NFTs. Okay, these are NFTs, digital assets that you can transfer, you can sell. Okay, this is for Plaza Finance. This guy for Plaza Finance. Alright, so without wasting much of your time, we're also saying that crypto is digital assets that you can own, you can transfer, you can mint, you can borrow, you can lend, you can save, you can invest. That is crypto. Alright. Now, in today's video, my focus will be on teaching you about wallets, creating wallets for different chains, backing up your wallet, where to do your crypto research, the browser you need on your mobile phone, the type of browser you need on your mobile phone, and generally how to position yourself for different kinds of crypto activities and interactions. I'll also be sharing with you websites you can get started on to see tasks that you can complete. Then if you are really interested in learning crypto formally, you can also learn it off. Either you learn from Interact or you learn from Galaxy, one of these two. So without wasting much of your time, let's continue. Now, what you need to understand is that crypto has a lot of potential. Depending on the approach you take towards crypto, it will make you a millionaire down the line. Like not just a single million, but millionaire in terms of the amount of money you made over time. Okay, of course that one will come with a lot of consistency, positioning, research, and then taking actions. But we're saying that bottom line, it can make you a lot of money. To portray this point, I'll just go over my X page. If I run a search, Pengo, these guys, so the narrative is that around December last year, towards the end, we're thinking, that's the end of crypto for the year. The projects that most of us have farmed, they've paid out, they've given their dust and the rest. But these guys came out. Fuji Penguins, they came out, and then they gave airdrop worth hundreds of dollars, depending on how long you've been interacting on the Solana blockchain. Alright, so this surprised people, right? Now, with hundreds of dollars. Then January 2025 came, and we now had Bearer chain. We now had Bearer airdrop. For those who farmed it, I couldn't really keep up at some point. But for those who farmed it, some got allocations like I saw someone who got an allocation of like 666. This one is 3,000. This one is 3,000 Bearer allocation. That's like at least 12 million naira. That was just this January. I'm typing it out so that you can also go back and do a little research about it. Okay, so Bera gave people millions January 2025. Bengo gave people hundreds of dollars December 2024. Now Akam also, those who had Akam VIP, okay, those who had Akam VIP, these guys, the Akam airdropped for the second time, and just like their first airdrop, it was massive. People made like 40 million plus in Naira from something you subscribed $100 and you invited a few other people to join you, and you made like 40M, 30M, 83M. That was Akam for you. So we're saying that the crypto space has a lot of potential. It can reward you, it can change your life depending on how well positioned you are. Right. So if you're interacting with crypto on your mobile device just like I am, not just your laptop, what you need is a special browser. A browser that can help you navigate the world of crypto quite easily. A very good example is Mises browser for mobile devices. Another one is also Kiwi browser. Another one is Lemo browser. Okay. I'll close the tab. There are others that you can try. There are two others you can try in case you want to run Sibyl, because I run Sibyl. Okay, so Flowsoft and then Max browser. So all of these are browsers that are extension compatible for mobile devices. Okay, what do we mean? If I say, for instance, I open my normal Chrome and then I go over and I say there are some extensions I need to download. Okay, I was going through them earlier. I need to download, because I have to reset my browser. Okay, for instance, I need to download Phantom Wallet. Okay, so if I do Phantom Wallet extension, the Phantom Wallet, remember we said, is for Solana. Okay, so if I do Phantom Wallet extension and I search, the link I'm supposed to click on always is the one that leads to Google Chrome. That leads to Google Chrome page. Huh? Alright, so if I open in my normal browser, a browser that is not Web3 compliant or compatible, and I say open desktop mode, right? This is Phantom Wallet. The error is that item currently unavailable. Please check troubleshooting guide. Okay, meaning that I cannot use normal Chrome for normal Web3 interaction. I need a special browser. Now, do the opposite. Go over to, let me make sure I don't have Phantom here. If you go over to Mises browser, for instance, right, and then you now do Phantom Wallet Chrome extension, the same way we did for the other Phantom Wallet extension, and then you run a search, right? Remember we said you have to open the site with Google Chrome link. Okay, if I open and then I zoom out, put it on desktop mode, I zoom out, notice the difference. It's telling me to add to Chrome. You see that? So this is Web3 compliant browser. It is one of the best. Okay, so I'll just install. Right. So I'll just install. I'm going to create a new wallet just for demonstration purposes. So this is Phantom Wallet. Any wallet you install, any Web3 extension you install, you can always see it when you click on this guy. Okay, so the extension has installed, and then it's now prompting me to create wallet or import. I'll just create a new one. Right, so continue with email or seed phrase. You can choose it out to. Email is also safe. email is one of the SSOs, like this SSO, social logins that you can use, okay, for Web3. For instance, using your Gmail. Okay, so let's just use using secret phrase. Okay, so you create a password. So maybe the password is video 2025, video 2025. I agree, continue. They do not match. VDEO G25. Okay, so I've created password. Right now, this is your recovery phrase. This is your password. That one we put initially. That's just for opening your extension for the first time, maybe in a day. Okay, but your actual password, your actual backdoor to your wallet is your recovery phrase, your secret recovery phrase. So ideally nobody should see this. Okay, so I don't know whether the video will record this part for security reasons, but I'll just say I've saved it. Okay, and then continue. Okay, so what it means is that by the time I continue, I click on Phantom Wallet again, you will notice that the app opens up. This is it inside of Mrs. Browser. So we're saying that you can install extensions, Web3 extensions. You can actually even mine the pin, okay, the pin project inside of your browser. The pin like this, DEPIN, the pin project inside of your browser. There's one I did before, grass. I think I got about 82 grass. 82 grass was like 90 something thousand. Then days after I sold mine, it became like 300,000. Let's put it that way, 300,000. So you can actually mine some of these things on your phone, okay, because of the browser you have. Right, so other chains like Aptos need wallet like Petra wallet. Okay, Petra. So if I do Petra wallet extension, right, Petra wallet extension, click on it. Okay, it takes me to the page, and then I will install if I want to. I don't want to install Aptos based wallet because I have about 2 of them on my phone as Petra wallet, and then I have as Pontem. Okay, I don't have Pontem, but you can actually search for Pontem. Pontem wallet extension is still for Aptos based blockchain. Remember we talked about blockchain. So Pontem, Aptos, yeah, Pontem. Okay, so I'll clear that. Right, so these are browsers you can actually use. Even Trust Wallet, you can use it. So depending on the chain, your wallet is going to be different, correct? Now, so we talked about wallets. Now, when you want to do crypto research for newbies, for advanced people, for just about anyone, you need X, okay? You need Telegram, you also need Discord, okay? You need Discord. Let's see if I can find my Discord. Okay, you need Discord. I think I have videos on all of this on my YouTube. Okay, you need Discord also for crypto interactions. Now, there's a project that was supposed to launch their testnet on 18th. That was yesterday. So I'm going to check whether I can locate it. Okay, this is TapSwap. Somebody said congratulations, millionaires. Okay, Monad testnet. Okay, I think that started. That started. Okay. So my new. I'm looking for Nexus. There's one testnet that was supposed to start yesterday. Let me check on X. If I search for BMS, I think BMS should have posted about it. Okay, I search for BMS. So teaching babes, OG Labs. I think OG Labs started their testnet yesterday. Okay, so what we are saying, Abyss Union is 2 days ago. So, but let's assume it is OG Labs. This OG that he wrote here. If I this OG, or if I do OG Labs, because they raised a significant amount of money, like 300, yeah, 300 and something M. Okay, so OG Labs, right? So this is it. So we're saying that if you want to do research, your best place is Twitter, even for testnet. Remember, we're saying before, or we've said before, that there are several ways you can earn in the crypto space. For instance, you can mine the pin, right? You can trade, whether it is sports, derivatives, memes, right? You can also buy and hold. You can save in crypto. You can do testnets. Okay, testnets. Okay, all of these things, I think I gave a brief explanation about them. But to explain really well, I'll just focus on testnet for a while. What is testnet? So we've established that, for instance, OG Labs raised money, right? OG Labs raised money for people for their project, right? From investors. The same thing happened with One Football Club. One Football Club. Okay, these guys raised about 600 M, I think, in dollars, so 600 M in dollars for their project. Okay, and how do you interact with their project? Very, very simple. If I search for airdrop on my notepad, if you're in Web3, you should get this notepad. I've been using this particular notepad for over 10 years plus. Okay, yeah, this one. So One Football Club raised 600 M plus. So if I go into my Mrs. browser, open a new tab, and then paste the link to, that's my referral link to One Football Club, you notice that this is what you are greeted with. You connect your wallet, blah 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 blah, right? And then you gain points or balls, okay, or balls. Let's see if it will open. But what you should take note is that something as simple as, let me not connect my wallet, I don't want you to see what is inside, but something as simple as One Football Club raised that big amount of money, and to be positioned for something like that, you don't need referral link from somebody who is doing it, right? And then your normal browser, normal internet. Remember, we said crypto is money over the internet, normal internet connection. And then when you check in every day, right, you gather balls and balls. By the time they are done, they will release an allocation checker, meaning a link you can check how many mainnet balls you have, or whatever they want to call it, you have, and that will translate into crypto. Okay, that is tradable, and then later translates into naira that you can have in your account. With time, we'll deal with some of these things. Okay, so but we're discussing testnet. We're saying that in crypto there are several ways to earn. One of them is testnet. If you are just a little bit tech savvy, if you have observatory skills, if you are patient, you can do testnet. Okay, so to even start with testnet, what you need to understand is your Twitter. Remember, you have to watch all of those videos on Twitter, on my YouTube that talks about Discord, Telegram, Twitter, your email, and the rest as your digital ID you need for Web3. Okay, you need Twitter, you need WhatsApp, you need Telegram, you need your email, you need your wallet. These are the minimum you require. You need your phone, you need internet, you need your laptop. So, but when you are on X and you want to be seeing projects, crypto stuff, because my X is all about crypto stuff, nothing other than crypto stuff. Okay, if you want to be seeing posts like that, you have to follow first of all very key people. Okay, very key people. For instance, this guy BMS. Okay, then check the people he is also following. Okay, then follow them. Okay, so that's the first step to testnet. Now, another thing is, if you want to do testnet apart from Twitter, another place you can go is Galaxy. Okay, so Apple Galaxy. This platform is a Web3 platform that onboards users to crypto. I'll put it in desktop mode so I can see better. Okay, so it onboards people to crypto. What do I mean? If there's a new project that wants to come to the market, a project that has a solution, for instance, Linera. I think I'm active on Linera. Okay, like this. So, example like this, a project that just came to the market, and they want to build a community around their product, around their solution. Remember, they already have a solution. They have documents, logos, engineers, servers and stuff for their project, and they want to build a community around their project, meaning they want to get people like me and you interested in their project. A very good place they come is Galaxy. Okay, so on Galaxy you connect your wallet, your normal wallet. So most times you use your EVM wallet. I did not choose MetaMask or other EVM wallet purposely. I just decided to go with Zerion. Zerion is very, very fast. Okay, very fast, very fast. I know what I mean, what I'm saying. So I go with Zerion. So for instance, I can just click on login. Okay, and then I'll use Zerion to log in. It will trigger in my wallet that I want to connect with Galaxy. I'll connect again. Right? So notice with this, I've connected to Galaxy. This is my DP on Galaxy, this picture. So I know I'm fully in presently. Right? So we're saying that this platform onboards people to Web3. Apart from having projects you can use to position yourself to Web3, they also have courses you can go through. Okay, that explains crypto. Let me see if I can find because these are the things I personally used. Let me see if I can find. It's not Compass Quest. Galaxy missions. Let me see if I can find it. Galaxy Mission Web 3 or just Mission Web 3. Okay, so I'll click on it so that you see. And remember, my talk, everything is tied together. So we're talking about testnet, right? So you can do testnet by viewing posts on X. Okay, just there are guides on Twitter for you, for anybody that wants to do testnet. You can also use Galaxy. Okay, so this Mission Web 3 takes you to true understanding crypto from scratch. So apart from being a place that projects can build community from scratch, you can also learn about crypto from scratch on Galaxy. So I will include the link. Okay, so welcome to Web3, fund your wallet, networks and tokens, DEX, bridges, NFTs, DeFi, DAOs, right? Security, liquid staking, airdrops, Web3 data analytics, AI, and then I do asset mining. Okay, so these are their courses, okay, that you can do to learn about crypto. And then this platform, you can do testnets on this platform. Then also interact. Let me just open a new tab. Interact.io. Let me see. I think interact is A, not okay. Yeah, this first one, I think. So you can also learn about crypto. There was a time I really took out my time to do all of these things. So you can put it on desktop mode. Okay. Then remember also we said the reason why there is crypto is because I will include all of this link in the video so that you can go through them. The reason why there is crypto is because the financial system is too rigid. Okay, it's too rigid. So crypto helps with that. So on Interact you can learn about crypto. Let me see if I can help you locate that resource. Quest and end, for instance. Let's see. Take me to what I'm looking for. It's been a while I was here. But don't worry, I'll just drop the link. I'll just drop the link. So where you can start learning about different projects. Let me just click on this quest. My noise is not loud. Alright, so this is Interact. So you can actually quest to earn. Okay, but the special course they have. That, let me see if I can sign in. Special course they have that can really introduce you to crypto. They don't have. Let me see. Trigger 01. Okay, let's pick that 01. I'm going to Ethereum is fast. Okay, so on this platform you can actually, if you do small due diligence, you see a course that teaches crypto from start. I will just include the link in the video bio, video description. So if you are doing testnet, you can use Interact. You can use Interact. You can use Galaxy. Okay, I will do videos about them separately. Okay, then you can use X. So I think I saw a guide about OG Labs testnet. That's OG Labs, and this is how to search for different projects if you want to do their testnet. OG Labs testnet like this. Excuse me. Okay, so you run your search and then you keep checking. Okay, I know Marian Crypto. I know this guy, follow the guy. He's very good at explaining what you should do for testnet purpose. So you see Marian's Crypto, start farming OG Lab testnet. What it will cost you to start is $0, and this is the amount they raised. Okay, and they have about 100 million they set aside for developers who have different innovations that they can bring to OG Labs ecosystem. Okay, so you see he's saying the first thing you will do is to use the faucet where you get testnet links, right? Then second thing is storage. Experiment with their storage. Okay, you just need to upload a little bit of file, a very small file, not seriously heavy file. Then go and claim a role in their Discord. Then you can mint their NFT, OG Lab NFT. Okay, so all of these things are interactions you can do to position yourself. You see that? So in this video we've said that you can create wallets. Okay, by searching the wallets and knowing the chain. Okay, so let me just use this browser and see coin market cap, for instance. Right, so it's open now. I don't know why it's slow. On coin market cap you can see different chains. So any chain you want to interact with, just download the extension, the wallet extension, right? And the only place you can download it to is your Mises browser, correct? Then we said if you want to interact with crypto, you need Twitter, you need Telegram, right? You need Discord, you need some wallets, you need Mises browser. You need Mises browser. Excuse me, you need Mises browser. Okay. Then anything you want to learn about crypto proper, you can find it inside of Galaxy Web3 missions, okay, or through an Interact quest. Okay, I used to do that a lot before when I used to have time. Let me see, because when I do it I write notes. Let me see if I can find it. One of the notes I wrote. Swaps and bridges. Okay, so this note actually details different swaps. If you check, this was back at August. Okay, remember how we said that if you want to convert crypto A to B, you have to swap A to B, right? Now let's assume that you have a blockchain N and another blockchain M, and both blockchains support a particular token that is, for instance, USDT. But this USDT, you have it on N, but you need it on M, right? So example A, which is this guy, is swapping. Example B, which is this NM and USDT, is bridging. So you have USDT that you want to bridge, to M, so that the same USDT you have on network N, you now have it on network M. So swapping crypto, bridging crypto. So this one is A to B. You swap A to B. So for instance, you swap USDT to Bearer, for instance. Okay, you swap it to Bearer. Then the second example is not a swapping example, it is a bridging example. You bridge from this network to this network. It's like saying you have a recharge card on MTN and you want to use that same recharge card on Glo, so you have to bridge. You see that? So this my note was from back as August. So different swaps you can use. C-swap for Ethereum, for Polygon, for Base, then bridges, like that. You see that? So I hope this video is quite informative. So we are saying if you want to get started with any testnet, I suggest you start with Woolgy Labs testnet. So what it means for you is that you have to create a Twitter account, you have to create a Telegram account, you have to create a wallet. Okay, now that wallet we created, you are supposed to back it up. Very important. Okay, you are supposed to back it up. Excuse me. So how do you do that? Open the wallet. Okay, put in your password 2025. Open. Right, go over to settings, enable SUI. Go over to your settings, then security and privacy. No, not security and privacy. Manage accounts. Okay, so you can show one of two things. You can show your private key, you can show your secret recovery phrase. Back up these two somewhere safe. For instance, somewhere like your notepad. Okay, so I use Inkpad and I also use OneNote from Microsoft. This is OneNote. So you check, I have a lot of notes going back 10 years or more. You see that? So you have to back up your wallet. Okay? Now, by the time you are done with that, you can now come on X. Any testnet you want to do, you just search the name. Okay? Another thing you can do is WhatsApp group. You need to join WhatsApp group that are crypto related. You see, if you see, this is a crypto group. Crypto. I seen that. So I'm always updated. Crypto. I see. Crypto. So this is my own personal WhatsApp group. Crypto. You see that? Crypto. You see that? So you need to join WhatsApp groups. You see, and then Telegram channels. For instance, BMS channel on Telegram. Okay, so So for instance, BMS, I'll drop a link of people you can follow. Okay, so this is BMS page on Telegram. Okay, you can follow people like Zeus, the Great, and Crypto Mama, and many other people. So with that said, I'll stop here for today, and I hope you've learned something. Just download the browsers you need, do your X account, Telegram account, Discord account, have one email for everything crypto. Okay, have your phone number in case you need verification, and search anything you want to get started with. Search it on X, okay, or on Telegram. Then also try and be a part of my crypto community so that you can be seeing projects you can do. Okay, with that said, this is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching.